Polycom Immersive Telepresence solutions offer the ultimate in flexibility for organizations and end users by giving them choices in the way they manage, deploy, and experience their conferences, whether that call is a relatively simple point-to-point call or a multi-party conference. For point-to-point calls, a user or conference coordinator can set up and utilize a collection of speed dial buttons. These speed dial buttons are configured to connect an RPX or TPX suite to another suite with the simple touch of a button. Press the button for the suite of choice. Here we're connecting an RPX 400 series to another 400 series suite on the other side of the country. We can just as easily end the call by pressing the Hang Up button. Rooms or locations that are not configured for a speed dial can be called by entering their IP address, E.164, or their telephone number if they're an audio-only attendee. For connecting multiple locations or individuals into a meeting or conference, the Polycom Executive Touch Panel offers two options, Single Touch and Meeting Composer functionality. Polycom's Single Touch functionality makes joining a multi-party call as simple as joining a point-to-point call using a speed dial. With a simple touch of a single button, the user's telepresence suite is connected to a meeting room that other locations can also dial into. Room and personal telepresence endpoints and audio-only attendees can likewise join this multi-party call by dialing into the meeting room with a bridge number. As other rooms or individuals join or leave the meeting, the screen view is automatically redrawn to optimize the view for every room, whether that room has 1, 2, 3, or 4 screens. With Single Touch, each room joins or leaves the conference themselves with a simple touch of a single button. The second and more powerful way to join a multi-point call is to build one directly from the Executive Touch panel using Polycom's Meeting Composer capability. With a touch of this button, we can open a directory of video endpoints. The directory can be created and stored locally, or a global directory from CMA can be accessed. With Meeting Composer, we can browse or search these directories, select a list of meeting attendees, and dynamically dial out to all the selected endpoints. Let's start our meeting by selecting 2 RPX 400 rooms in California from our local directory and 2 HDX rooms from our CMA directory. Now we'd like to invite a subject matter expert to join our meeting. We'll add our CMA expert sitting at his CMA desktop. When we complete our meeting with the other participating sites, we can return to a meeting with a single RPX 400 room in California by simply removing all other rooms and endpoints from the conference. The view automatically redraws to show the far end RPX room in true-to-life size. With the extensive calling capabilities available directly from the Executive Touch panel, including Meeting Composer, Single Touch, and speed dials, Polycom customers enjoy greater flexibility in the use and management of immersive telepresence suites throughout their organizations.